So just to go on to railways, so you've talked about 52 reforms in 52 weeks. Tell us a little about that. Your capex, so I think, is also doubled if my numbers are correct over
and
the last
capex utilization is very high.
Yeah.
Practically, over last many years now, capex has been increasing from just about 25,000 crore rupees a decade ago. Now it is about 2,72,000 crore, and next year it will be 2,90,000 crore. And capex utilization is very high. Even in the current year, we have, as on today, we have done about 94% of our capex utilization, and March has not even started, right? March will be like, so it's going on very well. And the results are also visible. We have done about 35,000 kilometers of new railway tracks, practically electrified the entire railway network. More than about 50,000 kilometers of railway network we have electrified. We have upgraded almost 80% of our tracks. Almost 80% of our tracks we have upgraded to 110 kmph. Coverage installation is going on at a very rapid pace. Stations are getting rebuilt, 1,300 stations. Out of that, 170 already completed, maybe 190 already completed. This is a number 1 month back. So it's progressing very rapidly. More than 160 Vande Bharat trains are already in service. Complete bouquet of total new set of products, totally new generation of trains is there. We have done many reforms in the past. In the past 10 years, series of reforms have happened. In this year, we are planning 52 reforms. Already 4 reforms have been kind of rolled out. And in the coming months, we'll be rolling out many more reforms. These reforms are focused at safety, at passenger convenience, passenger experience, at maintenance practices, at production, manufacturing, construction. Every aspect of railways will see reforms.